What's up, y'all? It's Darius from DariusCooks.tv, and we still cooking it up keto, but that don't mean we gotta be in the kitchen all day long. I have a fantastic 30-minute meal that you're going to make over and over again. I'm telling you, it's that good, all right? We're gonna do some lemon sage roasted chicken thighs, because chicken thighs for me are like the new bacon, you know what I mean? So here's what we're gonna do. Chicken thighs, right? In a pan, ready to go. I'm gonna take some lemon and I'm just gonna slice down some of the lemon. We're going to generously rub olive oil over our chicken thighs because we want everything to stick. We want the skin to get nice and crispy. All right, now here's what we're gonna do. Before we go seasoning, we're going to open up the skin and we're gonna pop slices of lemon underneath that skin like that. So we're gonna do lemon first, and then we're gonna go back. We're gonna drop in some sage underneath there. And like a leaf or two is good enough for each one. As this chicken roasts down, the sage is gonna release its oils and its flavor, and it's gonna permeate the chicken. It's gonna be so good. We're gonna take the gloves off so that we can go ahead and massage in the seasoning. So let's start with garlic powder, because all this goes really well with chicken. Black pepper, a little bit of Portugal sea salt, one of my faves, you guessed it, dried fennel. I love it, what can I say? I'm guilty. And then just a little spice, so a little bit of like red pepper flake to say, hey, how you doing? Now, let's get in here with a new pair of gloves. And you wanna get in here, you wanna get this all massaged. Be gentle. We have that sage in there, and we also have that lemon. So you wanna make sure that you don't like make it come out, you know? Huh? That's what I'm talking about. All right, what is our oven preheated to? 400 degrees on convection. This is gonna go in and roast up until it's nice and crispy. So our chicken is just about done. It's hanging out in the oven, getting nice and toasty like we like it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start on the zucchini and the asparagus toss. Here's what I like to do. To do that, I like to line up all the zucchini, asparagus, line up all the asparagus, and then what I'll do is I'll cut off the woodsy end. Then what I'll do from there is cut this into, like, you know, bite-sized pieces. We'll throw that right into the bowl. Zucchini is here. We'll cut off both ends, put them down the middle, like half moons on him. All right, let us saute. We're gonna add in olive oil. It's hot, ready to go, so be careful. Here we go. It's a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, and we'll give this a stir. I'm gonna put in a little bit of garlic and give it another stir. In here now, we're gonna add in some white Hennessy, just because we can, and I think we should do a little flame like that, just so that it cooks off. And then we're just gonna finish off our zucchini with some butter, because that's gonna make it taste really good. Yeah, look at that. All right, so the chicken is, ooh, look at that. Look at that. Come on, chicken. Let me get a little spoon so I could do a little basting. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look how juicy. All right, let me grab this asparagus and the zucchini with that Hennessy garlic butter situation happening in the background of that. Okay, that's gonna be good, right? All right, now let me grab chicken. Ooh. All right, so let's go in for a taste and see what we are working with. Ooh, look at this chicken. First of all, right underneath the skin, look at that, where it's like moist and juicy. You see that? Okay, and you see how, see the key here is putting that lemon underneath there. Because that lemon, what it do is start releasing some of the oils and the juice and the flavor. Baby, that's delicious. Okay, let me try this asparagus and zucchini toast. We got a piece of zucchini, piece of asparagus. Here we go. I don't know what you want me to say. One bite in here. Delicious. Garlicky. The Hennessy is cooked off so you get that nice cognac flavor in the background. It's so good. With the butter that's browned up. You gotta try it, okay? Listen. Look at that sage. See that? The sage and the lemon. How it's done released its juices and stuff. Oh yeah, this is good. All right, 2 things I want to tell you, because I'm gonna finish this up. All right, as I always do, food is my life. Life is my food. Until next time, I gotta wish you a happy cooking from my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.